Is your printer showing as paused and you have no idea why? You're not alone. This is one of the most common printer frustrations out there. Here's what's actually happening and how to fix it fast. A paused printer usually means your computer has stopped sending jobs to it. This can happen after a failed print job, a paper jam, or even a Windows update that resets your printer settings. Fix number 1. Open your printer queue. On Windows, go to Settings, then Bluetooth and Devices, then Printers and Scanners. Click your printer, then open the print queue. Look for the option to resume printing and click it. Fix number 2. If the resume option is grayed out, right-click your printer in the queue and choose Cancel All Documents. This clears any stuck jobs that might be blocking the printer. Fix number 3. Restart the print spooler. Open the Start menu, search for Services, find Print Spooler, right-click it, and hit Restart. This refreshes the entire printing system. Fix number 4. Set your printer as the default. Sometimes Windows accidentally switches to a different printer. Go back to Printers and Scanners, click your device, and select Set as Default. If your printer keeps pausing, it may be time to upgrade. CastleInk has top-rated printers for up to 70% less than retail. Check the link in the description and stop fighting with your printer today.